Hello, dear children. Good morning. Children, today I am going to continue the reading part of the lesson 6 or industries. All of you open page number 261 in your textbooks, children, or industries. INDUSTRIES or industries. In your previous class, you have learned the reading part till on the basis of size. And in today's class, you are going to continue from some important industries in India. The iron and steel industry. The IRON, iron and steel, STEEL, steel industry is a large scale industry that is located, LOCATED, located near the iron ore deposits. DEPOSITs, deposits, and coal mines, MINES, mines. The main centers of iron and steel production, PRODUCTION, production in India are Durgapur, 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 Jamshedpur, 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 Bhilai, 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 Vishakhapatnam, 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 Rourkela, 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 and Salem. This industry also supports many small industries. Cotton textile industry, COTTON, cotton. TEXTILE, textile industry is an important industry of the country. The industry, INDUSTRY, the industry has centers, CENTRES, centers located in Mumbai, 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 Ahmedabad, 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 Madurai, 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 and Coimbatore, COIMBATORE, Coimbatore. The sugar industry in India is another important industry of the country. Its centers are in Meerut, 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 Belgaum, 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 Ahmednagar, 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 and Coimbatore, COIMBATORE, Coimbatore. Oil refineries, OIL, oil, REFINERIES. Oil refineries provide raw materials, MATERIALS, materials for industries like fertilizers, FERTILIZER, fertilizer, cosmetic, 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 rubber, 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 and pharmaceutical industries, PHARMACEUTICAL, pharmaceutical industries. They are located in Assam, 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 West Bengal, WEST, BENGAL, West Bengal, Bihar, 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 and Gujarat, GUJARAT, Gujarat. Vishakhapatnam, Mumbai, Panaji, and Kochi have famous shipbuilding yards. Automobile, AUTOMOBILE. Automobile plants are located in Ahmedabad, 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 GURGAON, Gurgaon, Jamshedpur, 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 Pune, 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 Kolkata, 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 and Nasik, NASIK, Nasik. Electronic and engineering, ELECTRONIC, electronic, and ENGINEERING, electronic and engineering. Goods industries producing Producing, producing. Domestic, domestic, domestic. Appliances, appliances, appliances. And machinery, 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 like tractors, tractors, tractors. Pumps, pumps. Telephones, telephones, are based in Mumbai. Mumbai, Mumbai. Chennai, Chennai. Bengaluru, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. Reform measures for industries. REFORM, reform. MEASURAS, measures for industries. The industries make our lives, LIVES, lives easier, EASIER, easier and more comfortable. COMFORTABLE, comfortable. However, the activities, ACTIVITIES, activities of some industries cause air and water pollution and deforestation. AIR, air. WATERPOLLUTION, water pollution and deforestation. DEFORESTATION, deforestation. Other countries, COUNTRIES, countries of the world, have started, STARTED, started using, using better, BETTER, better and more, environment, ENVIRONMENT, environment friendly methods of producing goods. Both the government and industries in India are making, making efforts, efforts to adopt better science and technology, technology, technology and practices, practices, practices that cause minimal, minimal damage to the environment. So this is all about the reading part of your lesson 6, our industries. Children, once go through today's video and read, pronounce the words properly, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay, bye children, thank you.